Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and for this one I'm going to try and make this one quick, famous last words, and I want to give a shout out to some YouTube channels that I think you should subscribe to or at least check out. Now these three channels that I'm recommending, admittedly and in full disclosure, they're friends of mine, so I know these people, but they're producing good content and they may be of interest to you. I will do some shout outs of other channels at a later stage as well. And of course, if you guys know of a YouTube channel that you've recently subscribed to, or you've been subscribed to for a while, and you think more people should know about it, maybe one about how to talk on camera, then drop a comment below and I will link it in later videos also as well. So the first channel I want to give a shout out for is my good friend of 20 years, I think. Has it been that long, fella? Don't know. Mark Bodie. Now, me and Mark, back in the day, we used to run two YouTube channels for a podcast called New to Photo that we ran, covering all the basics of photography, camera equipment, settings, off-camera flash, etc. many moons ago. But Mark has since transitioned into shooting primarily landscapes. Now, his channel actually has a lot of landscape photography vlogs that he does. So he goes to the locations, talks a little bit about the location and the shots that he's thinking of getting, the lighting conditions and so forth. So if you're into landscape photography, it's well worth checking out. Now, the next channel is my studio neighbour and friend next door, which would be over there, is Ian. Ian's Studio. So Ian's Studio Stockport. Now, Ian has a couple of channels on the go. His main one, Ian's Studio, hosts a regular live stream on Sundays, which I'm part of as well. Most weeks doing Lightroom edits and what have you. And it covers various topics within that live stream and has a good community building around that and good engagement, so it's worth checking those out. He's also got tutorials on macro photography, focus stacking, well, all kinds of things on his channel. He does also have a couple of other channels, one of which is a travel photography one and a learning Lightroom as well. And they're linked off his main channel. Of course, I'll put links in the description below. The last channel that I'm going to recommend for this video is my friend Scott Cucino. I've probably totally butchered his surname, always do. Sorry, Scott. But there we are. Scott works down in Leicester and is a commercial food photographer. He's also done product work, portrait work before, but primarily now he is a commercial food photographer. Now, his channel has been going for about a year and it covers a lot of the business side of photography, the business and practical side of commercial food photography as well. And it's got a ton of great content on there and continues to add more as we go on also as well. So it's well worth checking out. It's also got a good community building around that as well, with questions being asked and engagement within there. So it's well worth checking out. Again, links will be in the description below. So if you guys know of any other channels, let me know in the comments below. So if you think that people should check out this channel on photography business, this channel on portrait photography, this one on landscapes, or whatever it may well be, drop a link below, because maybe some people who are subscribed to this channel don't know about them yet. Yes, mine's all about portrait photography, but there are many other avenues and things in photography that we can branch out into and try, just to try something and learn something new. Right, that's it. Fairly short video for me, for once. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Right, I've got one more video to make today, and I think that's going to be it because my voice is going. Next. Ugh.